Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Demio Actions Automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup that shows the status of the app. Yeah, we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, click on your profile name. You're going to click on Settings from the drop-down menu. On the Settings page, you're going to click on API. Our API key and secret has been given, so you're simply going to copy your API key and head over back to your account. Click on Start Setup. You're going to paste your API key. Go back to your account online. Copy your API secret, head over back to your account and paste your API secret. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. The app has been connected successfully. We equally have the support center. At the Law Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. At the level of the changelog, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.